Good day everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. So for today, this is what I have for you: sequin applique, sequin and bead applique. So for this you will need sequins, cup sequins. You will also need size 2 seed beads. Let's get started. You will need your needle and thread. Your needle should be threaded. Then you draw small circles on whatever fabric. You can use any fabric of your choice. It mustn't be net. It must not be net. Any fabric of your choice is okay. So we'll pass our needle up through the outer line of our circle, and because this is net, we need to pass our thread from this upside and create a knot so that our thread will not slip through the holes. We need to create a knot from this upper area while holding the knot under, using your hand to stabilize it so that it won't pop out through as you're drawing your thread. So give it a gentle tug. So now our thread has been fixed to our project. We will pick up our cup bead facing upwards. This is it, facing upwards. We'll pick it up so that by the time we push it down to our work, the cup will be facing downwards. The cup will be facing downwards. So as we pick this, we'll pick up one seed bead. Pick up one seed bead. We'll pick another sequin facing downwards this time around, so that by the time we pull it down to our work, it will be facing upward. So we'll pick the cup bead facing downwards, push it to our work, pull it down, and now we're going to pick 3 seed beads. We're picking up 3 seed beads. 1, 2, 3. We'll pull it down. So now we're going to pass our needle to the middle of our work here. Just pass it to the middle and pull our thread. If you can't find the middle, you can use your pen and just create a mark. If you create a mark on this one, you can use your marker and just create a gentle mark, a small mark in the middle here, so that you have a general idea of where you're passing your thread into. So we're going to repeat the sequin again. So we're going to repeat it again. We'll pass our needle back up. You give a distance and pass your needle up. Hold it and pull. We're picking up a cup bead facing upwards. We're picking up 1 seed bead. We're picking up a cup bead facing downwards. We're picking up a cup bead facing downwards, and then we're picking up 3 seed beads. 1, 1 2 3. So we'll push this to the end of our work, and then this our middle line we created, our dot here, we'll pass our needle through and pull gently. Be careful, let it not snag anywhere, and then we'll pass it on again. Hold it, pull gently. We're starting again. We're picking up a cup bead facing up, we're picking up one seed bead, we're picking up a cup bead facing downwards, and we're picking up 3 seed beads. 1 2 and 3. Pull it to the end of the work, pass your needle into this middle, pass your needle to the middle of your work. Be careful, let it not snag anywhere so it won't tear your net. So you see, so we have 3 more to go. If you notice, there 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 3 more to go. So as you're spacing it, when you're doing your work, you have to be careful in your spacing. Let them not, as you can see, they are not on top each other, there's space in between them. So we'll give us little space and pass our needle. Pass our needle. Repeat again. Pick up cup bead facing upwards. Pick up 1 seed bead. Pick up cup bead facing downwards. Pick up 3 seed beads. 1 2 3. Pull our work, push it to the end, pass our needle in the middle of our circle and pull. So let me do it once more. Pick up our cup bead facing upwards. Pick up our cup bead facing upwards. Pick up 1 seed bead. Pick up our cup bead facing downwards. And then pick up 3 seed beads. 1 2 3. Pick up 3 seed beads. Pull our work and then pass it to the middle once more. So we have the last one now, meaning the last one to complete our circle. So we're going to do the last one now. This remaining space, you pass your needle in the middle of the remaining space and pull, and we repeat as usual. Our cup bead facing up, cup bead facing up, 1 seed bead, cup bead facing downwards, 3 seed beads. 1 2 3. We'll pull our work to the end and then pass it into the middle. This is it, what passing is into the middle of our work. and then we'll pull. So you can either leave it like this, or if you notice with this one, I put a bead in the middle here. So let's do that. To put a bead in the middle, we'll pass it up again through the middle, pass it up through the middle, pull your thread, then get a seed bead. This is a crystal. This is a crystal bead in size 6. In size 6. So pass it through here, and then still that same circle, you put your needle down, that same middle, arrange it, and that's it, guys. We're done with our sequin. So we're going to knot it now. We'll knot it. To knot it, you just pass your needle through the fabric. Pass your needle through the fabric, pull it gently, and then wrap this loop around the needle here, and just pull gently. Use your hand so that it won't tangle. Yes, we'll pull gently. We'll repeat it again. This loop here, pass your needle through it and pull gently. Then you cut the excess thread off. Be careful so you won't cut the thread of this other beads. We've cut it up. Now for an extra, as an extra measure, this is UHU gum. We're going to rub it on top here and let it dry, because we're going to be cutting this out. We're going to cut this out and then place on another fabric. So this is what you do to secure and be sure that your thread doesn't come unloosen, doesn't loosen. So we're just going to put this UHU gum around the thread area, not the whole surface, just the thread area. Then if you have a brush, you can use the brush to spread the gum. If you don't have a brush, you can use your fingertips. That's your natural brush. The gum will always come off. So we just press it into the fabric. As it's at the same time spreading it. Press it into the fabric. So guys, that's it. This is our fabric flower, our sequin beaded flowers. I know many of you see this in the market, so it's very easy to make. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and there are other interesting videos on my channel. You can go ahead and watch them. Thank you. Bye.